The 20 most expensive dog breeds in the world, with pictures. 1 Tibetan Mastiff $2,000 to millions. Native to China and Nepal, the Tibetan Mastiff is an ancient breed that was developed to guard flocks and households against wolves and leopards. 2 Czechoslovakian Wolfdog $50,000. The Czechoslovakian Wolfdog is Czechoslovakia's national dog. 3 Samoyed $14,000. The beautiful Samoyed is an ancient breed from Siberia. 4 Lao Chen $12,000. The Lao Chen, also known as the Little Lion Dog, has been one of the most popular toy dogs in Europe for over 500 years. 5 Chow Chow $11,000. Native to China, the Chow Chow is one of the oldest and rarest dogs in the world. 6 Ozawak $9,500. The Ozawak is a sighthound, meaning it uses sight instead of scent to hunt. 7 Rottweiler $9,000. A purebred Rottweiler from an authentic German breeder can cost up to $9,000. 8 Canadian Eskimo $8,750. The Canadian Eskimo is among the oldest and rarest dog breeds in the world. 9 Dogo Argentino $8,000. The Dogo Argentino, also known as the Argentinian Mastiff. 10 Pharaoh Hound $7,500. Despite its name, the Pharaoh Hound is not an Egyptian breed anymore. 11 Afghan Hound $7,000. With thick silky smooth hair covering every inch of its body apart from the face, and a ring curl tail, the Afghan Hound is an absolute beauty. 222. 12 Akita $6,500. The gorgeous Akita is the embodiment of speaking quietly but carrying a big stick. 13 French Bulldog $6,000. The French Bulldog is another pup that commands a hefty price tag due to its exclusivity. 14 Saluki $5,500. The Saluki is yet another expensive sighthound. 15 Portuguese Water Dog $5,000. The Portuguese Water Dog is among the most popular dog breeds today due to its hypoallergenic coat. 16 English Bulldog $4,300. The English Bulldog, also known as the British Bulldog. 17 Bedlington Terrier $4,000. This fluffy munchkin is named after its hometown of Bedlington, Northumberland, where it was bred to hunt rats and other vermin. 18 Irish Wolfhound $3,000. The Irish Wolfhound is one of the tallest dogs in the world, standing up to 35 inches at the shoulder and can weigh up to 180 pounds. 19 Lakeland Terriers $2,000. Originating from England's Lake District, the Lakeland Terrier is becoming increasingly popular due to its hypoallergenic coat. 20 St. Bernard $1,500. Today, this giant canine is content watching over the kids and being a great couch companion,